Welcome one and all. So in this video I try to focus the tranquilizers and their details. So this is the series of our medicinal chemistry videos. In the previous videos we had a discussion about the various aspects of medicines, drugs, antipyretic agents and analgesic agents and antiseptics, disinfectants and their mechanisms, all those things that we had already discussed. Now we want to have some more informations about our tranquilizers in this video. Tranquilizers, the term was first used by F.F. Ongman in 1953. Tranquilizers refers to a drug which is designed for the treatment of anxiety, fear, tension and agitation. So tranquilizer in a pharmacology, a drug that calms and relieves the anxiety. So which has been supplied, that medicine has been supplied to make the human being to be a calm and relieve the anxiety. So the first tranquilizer is a chlorodiazepoxide hydrochloride, the brand name Librium. So received by FDA. So our FDA here approval in 1960. So this is the image. The US Department Health and Human Services, Food and Drug Administration FDA has approved this one. So the category of our tranquilizer is a depressant, a group of drugs that depress the CNS, the central nerve system, have a calming effect and are prescribed to treat the anxiety. So these are the way the person having a over anxiety, he want to have the calmness, so that we need to supply this one. So this is called a category of depressant drugs. So what is tranquilizer? A drug that reduces the mental disturbances, treat anxiety and fear, can relax the muscles, may be used to induce the sleep, can be used in the form of pill or a needle. So the main side effects are ensured that sleepiness. So because this is induced sleep, so that sleepiness, some cases drowsiness, and some of the people, those who are consuming this one, they have reduced alertness and unsteadiness of limbs and muscles. In addition to this, they have some memory loss is also possible while taking the prolonged usage of our tranquilizer drugs. The minor and major tranquilizers, anxiolytic, antipanic or anti-anxiety agents reduces the anxiety. So these and all generally called as our tranquilizers. So this is the example, propranolol, the medication of the beta blocker class used for high blood pressure tablet. So not to be confused with propanol, because the name as given here, it is not a mistake one, it is the name, brand name used to treat a hypertension, that's a high blood pressure, which is called as an propranolol. Don't confuse with our propanol. Okay, this is some example, some more example is given here. Our minor category and major category of our tranquilizers. So another one is a antipsychotic, which is called as a major tranquilizer. So this is anxiolytic is a minor category of our tranquilizer, and antipsychotic is a major tranquilizer. So this is our neuroleptics, the class of psychiatric medications. Example is given here. Olanzapine. So general mechanism, a tranquilizer is a drug act on CNS, central nervous system, and used to calm and decrease the anxiety or help a person to sleep. So once they are sleeping well, they forget about these things. Often called depressant, so because they suppress or depress the CNS, central nervous system, and slow down the body entire mechanisms. so that they make a calm while sleeping, and used to treat the mental illness that characteristics of psychosis, which is a behavioral disorder, also used in common anxiety and sleeplessness. So can cause dependency, and certain one can easily be abused. So minor tranquilizers are called anti-anxiolytics, and major tranquilizers are called antipsychotics. So these are some examples of our tranquilizers is given. So thanks for watching this video. Like it, subscribe it, and share it for more number of videos. Thank you.